starting here on your right, left is overhand, right is underhand. And notice my left is my audience side because I'm playing to the curtain. Okay, so that hand will go back first. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4. Now come down here, turn left to butterfly. Now we're just going to turn 90 degrees, open it up. So we'll do 8 of them here, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, and 8, 2, 3, and down. Turn back to your butterfly in the front, and we'll turn to the right again. Now let's just do 4 of them here. Left hand will go back, the front hand. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, and down. Turn back to butterfly, turn left. We'll do 4 on this side, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, tight horizontal, 2, 3, 4, last time through, 2, 3, 4, and turn back to butterfly.